So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year.
Hey guys, it's the same day, Vlogmas day 2, but at the same day. I mean, try to do more than one videos, but guess what? So guys, I just get some news, so I need to write a song for my school and thing. So that's what I'm trying to do. Like, when I don't know some artists, I'm having them lock. Like, I'm gonna hear it, but like I think the song will get copyrighted. So when you tell me how it sounds, it's me. I'm gonna speed it up too. What was I playing first? Alright, ready. Tell me if you don't like this. I'm not.
When let me know, you have to take a don't care. Run up and down and I have their fun. Sparks are walking and brandy like. Hey. Guys, may I come back soon because I have a practical and I need to make some menu cards, place cards. Yes, so make a show on that and thing. Like, when I do have space, I can't only record 5 minutes. I don't know why, and I just deleted something that's 15 minutes long. But that's that. So, I'm still catching up back, isn't me? I'm going to meet with the other person that should be participating. So yeah, I'm going to tell them if they like it, if they don't like it and things. So yeah.
So guys, at night, as I'm going to be on the room, I don't know, sometimes I just like up on the room. So I have a project, I have a practical tomorrow. I'm going to be making some placement cards with this. So stay tuned. Guys, I cannot find one of the things that I need, which is the most important thing, a marker. So tomorrow I'm going to look but I'm going to make sure to get everything ready right now. So I have the card display for I need pencil, I need scissors, I need roller. I'm just going to do something really simple. I already did cut out this one from the previous one, so I'm just going to use this to measure the others. guys, I know some head mad and I never get back to no. Me know. Right now after 10 I go to 11. I have a practical right now. I'm not ready. Mainly because I have a test this morning. I never get to prepare and nothing. Like, but I feel like someone drop a subject honestly because not nasty. Me not learn nothing. I mean the teacher is teaching and I think I understand, but me not understand. Anyways, other than that, I need for all upload my Vlogmas number day 1, but like I still do that. For this practical, I need to go look for my apron, get the kitchen ready and everything. I really don't know what's going to happen, honestly. And I done write a song today. I recorded it, but I need to record it over and all of them things. So I can keep on updated as to what I'll be doing. I cook stew, beef. I got the poached eggs. I never do poached eggs. So if it's not good, I have to change it to like a sunny side up or something because teacher says she don't want a normal egg. So I have to do that. I know I talk because I'm in a rush, but I want to update it so I can post it as Vlogmas Day 2. Yeah, that's it. I'm not even done the placement cards. As I just remember, so I go write out the placement card them, and then I clean up the kitchen. Don't have to do and then come back because 2.5 hours after do this thing. I mean, it I got done cook, but I need to get myself ready. Look on my head. But guys, good morning. If I never say good morning, just take it no good morning. And yeah, I still get back to you. No class. So I thought she was going to come on the class, but we're not at this time. Yeah, I have this for my head because I can't find my the hot thing that I have for my apron. Yeah. Guys, a while ago I couldn't find my phone and I nearly go on bad. I couldn't find my phone. I need to preheat it. I won't remember. Guess what now, guys? I did not see that we were supposed to bake something, so I said that I was going to do stew beef. And guess what? I can't go do that again, so I'm going to do baked beef attempting. So guess what I gotta do? I don't watch a YouTube video or nothing, you know, because we have limited time. So I'm going to pressure cook the beef. And pressure cook the beef like for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven, and the water from the pressure cooker I'm gonna use that and make like a little sauce or gravy, you know, for drizzle on it, for coat it, yeah. So I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. See me, I do this still, so yeah. I season the meat with the seasoning them and put it in the pot, you know. The meat itself can, you know, get the seasoning. But yeah, that's that, guys. I feel like someone need to go edit up my video for Vlogmas 1. It's already posted, but like I need to add a title, description, tags, cards, them things they ads. Yeah. So we're gonna do that too. Money for my other things to cook, money for the poached eggs and them. I don't know why, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Anytime I do a practical, something always go wrong. I literally just lost my phone. In my jar. And my phone always upon silent, so my day I look fit all long. Right now, guys, I'm snacking on something. I'm gonna eat nothing from morning. Mommy, I'm my brother something. I'm gonna have to eat it because I'm hungry right now. I'm gonna have no other option. So yeah, everything works out because if I found the marker last night, I would write stew chicken, stew beef, and guess what? Mother have to use a different cartridge paper and I waste it. So God good, man, telling you. God good. So now I can write on the placement cards. But I write on the placement cards until I finish. Because I still don't know what I do with the egg. I hope I do poached egg, so I want it to come out good. Or I just switch what I'm going to do. But poached egg is the plan. So yeah, guys, I'll keep you updated and all of that. I have all past Facebook about a video with me I do. And yeah. Guys, I watch Petite Suka and I'm supposed to know some love Petite bad. Guys, everything come out good. Right now, I do the placement card. If my teacher watch this, she gonna say Candice is so not organized. But yeah, guys, I one try I'm gonna do for the poached egg. I was, you know, a little bit nervous about that because poached egg is a technique and it come out really good. Not even video nothing, but yeah, poached egg. So right now I'm just do the placement card. Ooh, guys, I can't really save my life. Same right. Stewed beef on this now. I have to write baked. A baked beef? Oh, that sound weird. But that's what I'm going to write. Now, why are you texting me? You know something practical. Right now, I'm showing you food that I'm making from morning. My brother say, oh, guys, I'm whining at the stop. I don't know the bucket things. Oh, you do a steamed cabbage or steamed cabbage? Why cabbage? I no sense. Steam. You don't type anybody because if you write some, I'm not dropping the steamed cabbage. Yeah, steamed. That's it. Rub out the lines now that I have on it. I'm going to erase the lines and stuff, and I mean that again. It's now 4 o'clock and I'm going to publish my vlog, so make sure you go and check it out. That's it for this video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more. I'm going to publish the video right now. So yes guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and it's up and running right now.